Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the muscle and blown, and this is the promotional car for PKs. So if you buy 6 cars in PKs, any 6 cars, you will get one of this free. And you can see that here it is mentioned as promotional item not for sale. And you can see the images here, and even the card looks a bit different. It doesn't have this, you know, hanging part for that they hang it in peg. I don't know what they called. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how it looks, because some of the guys are asking me to unbox this one for a very long time, but that time I was not able to get this because it was not available in Chennai that time. So luckily I was able to get my hands on this from one of the shop which I buy every time. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so the first impressions of this particular casting, it is weightless. It doesn't have any weight at all. It doesn't even, I don't even feel like I'm holding it. So the casting looks really nice. So it is a matte gold paint job. uh, it does have some paint issues as usual, but still it does look really nice. It looks a bit different. It is gold chromed here, and the exhaust details are really nice. So this has, I think, yeah, this car has actually only one seat, which is the left hand drive, as you can see. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. So the rims looks really nice because they actually matched the trim of the rim along with the body of the car. So the body is actually metal and the chassis is plastic. So being a freebie, they did really a nice job on this one. Honestly, compared to a 179 rupees main lane, they did really a good job on this one, if you ask me. So they do a lot. They do a lot of fantasy cars. Every box you can pick like at least 15 fantasy cars. But being a promotional item, even though it doesn't have any headlight or tail light details, it does look really good because of the color, I guess, the golden color. And it is the engine and everything, it is chromed in gold, and that really gives that aesthetic look. Okay, let's do a roll test. Oh, it does roll really well compared to other main lanes, even though the wheels wobble a lot, specifically on the rear wheel. But it does, you know roll really well. Even though it has wheel wobble, it does roll really well. It covers the distance, if I may. That is really nice. So overall, it's a nice casting. If you are able to get your hands on this one, at least get one. So that's all I can say. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.